Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're turning containers into automation powerhouses. We'll begin by setting up Docker, then pull Ansible's official image. But hey, we won't stop there. We'll get crafty and create our own Dockerfile for Ansible, making it tailor-fit for our needs. Finally, we'll bring everything together by building and running the Ansible container. By the end, you'll feel like a wizard conjuring infrastructure with a flick of the command line. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's start with the basics. Ansible is like your tech butler, handling automation with elegance. Docker, on the other hand, is the master of lightweight containerization. Now imagine bringing these two together. Ansible manages configurations, Docker keeps environments clean, and voila! You've got streamlined automation at your fingertips. Its efficiency meets simplicity, and trust me, your future self will thank you. Why should we mix Ansible with Docker? Simple. No more dependency nightmares. Everything stays inside the container. Plus, portability means your automation setup works anywhere, anytime. Need scalability? No problem, Docker has got your back. And let's not forget security. Ansible runs in its cozy container, isolated from your system. So you're not just automating, you're automating like a pro. Before we jump into installation, let's do a little housekeeping. First, Docker must be installed. Without it, we're just daydreaming. Then check your system meets the requirements because, well, no one likes surprises. Internet access is key. We'll be pulling images and packages. And if additional dependencies pop up, don't panic. We'll handle them like seasoned pros. Ready? Let's get cracking. Setting up Docker is the first milestone. We'll download it from the official site because let's keep things legit. Installation is straightforward, and configuration ensures smooth sailing. Once installed, we'll test it by running a container, because trust is built on proof. Lastly, let's double-check that the Docker daemon is up and running. If we nail this step, the rest is a breeze. Managing Ansible playbooks in Docker is like giving them a cozy home. They run smoothly without environmental surprises. By containerizing Ansible, we ensure consistency across deployments. Dependencies. No more version mismatches ruining your day. Mounted volumes help streamline playbook execution, and integrating Docker into CI/CD. Now that's automation magic. Using volumes in Docker is like giving your data a VIP pass. It stays safe and accessible even when containers come and go. Bind mounts are handy, but need careful handling. Named volumes keep your data intact, surviving container restarts. And if you're serious about managing storage like a pro, volume drivers are your best friends. Networking in Docker can feel like setting up a digital city. Containers need roads to talk. Bridge networks keep things organized, while host networking gives direct access. Ports, managing them smartly avoids traffic jams. And securing communication with TLS. That's like putting seatbelts on your data. Best practices. Think of them as rules for a stress-free Docker experience. Keep containers light. They run faster, just like a well-packed suitcase. Multi-stage builds optimize images, reducing unnecessary bulk. Security matters, so follow the least privilege rule. And playbooks should be idempotent, reliable like a great morning routine. Troubleshooting is an art, half detective work, half patience. Logs are your first clue. Volume permissions. They can be sneaky, so keep them in check. Syntax errors. One misplaced indent and chaos unfolds. And don't forget to monitor resources. Containers need breathing space too. Security isn't optional, it's the lock on your digital house. Running Ansible as a non-root user prevents unnecessary risks. Limit privileges, more control, fewer surprises. Keep base images updated, because outdated software invites trouble. And network policies. Think of them as security guards at your container's gates. We've covered quite a journey, Docker and Ansible, a dynamic duo. With containerization, playbooks run seamlessly. Storage and networking ensure smooth operations, while security keeps threats at bay. Now it's your turn. Apply these techniques and take your automation workflows to the next level. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.